Available for sale at Porsche Centre Hull is this 718 Boxster GTS in Guards Red. Included is the Porsche Active Suspension Management, which lowers the 718 Boxster by 20mm and continuously adjusts the dampening force on each wheel for a more aerodynamic performance. Heading inside the vehicle, we have black interior with Alcantara and seat belts in Guards Red. To complement this, the Sport Chrono stopwatch is also in Guards Red. For extra luxury, this car has cruise control, heated seats and ParkAssist in the front and rear. If you're interested in this vehicle, please contact our centre today.